Hi, welcome to Wealthy. This is a guide on how to use Wealthy Broking app. Open Wealthy app and tap on Broking to switch to your broking account. You can easily start investing in stocks by adding funds to your account. Tap on Add Funds, enter the amount and make the payment. Please note that the UPI payment can only be done through the UPI ID of the registered bank account. After adding the funds, you can start your stock investment journey. Search for the stock by typing its name in the search bar. You can also check the stock's price chart, overview, and fundamental details. Tap on Buy if you want to buy the stock. Select your preferences and swipe to buy, and your order is successfully executed. Now tap on View Positions to see your stock investments. If you want to sell a stock, tap on the stock and tap on Exit. Fill in your preferences and swipe to sell. Tap over here to check the IPOs available with Wealthy. You can also explore our stock recommendations sent on your phone through push notifications. With Wealthy, invest smartly, trade confidently.